Okay, hey guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss the concept of circular shift or circular time shift. I will take up an example. Say I have a time domain sequence x of n is equal to 1, minus 1, 4, 6. Okay, and I want to have a circular shift of y of n which is equal to I want to have a circular shift of x of n where y of n is equal to x of n minus 2 mod 4. The 4 is the reason of 4 here is because the length of the sequence is how much 4, right? So that's why we usually write it as 4. We read it out as x of n minus 2 mod 4. So how do we get this sequence? So basically what we do is y of n is equal to, so this equation is nothing but what you do, you take this mod 4 is there, no, you take it out and add it at the beginning and remove one outer bracket. So I mean to say x of, so I'll add this 4 at the beginning, and what is the left out term? Plus n minus 2, and remove one outer bracket. So this statement x of n minus 2 mod 4 can be equivalently written as x of, you remove this 4 and put it in the beginning, 4 plus n minus 2. Okay, now we'll put values for n. When n equal to 0, what do I get? Y of 0 is equal to x of 4 plus 0 minus 2. Correct? No, this is equal to what? X of, what is 4 minus 2? It is 2. So what is the value of x of 2? This is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, which is 4, right? So therefore the sequence y of n is equal to, the first sample of y of n is x of 2, and what is the value of x of 2? It is 4. Now when I put n equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to x of 4 plus 1 minus 2. What is this? This is equal to x of 3. So what is the value of x of 3? This x of 2 is 4, x of 3 is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. X of 3 is 6, right? So this is 6. Now when I put n equal to 2, what is y of 2? Y of 2 is x of 4 plus 2 minus 2. So these 2 cancels out, I end up with x of 4. But what is x of 4? We don't have x of 4, right? So we went out of range. So we have still x of 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? X of 4 is not there. If the range reaches out of this length, what you do, you subtract it with the length of the sequence, which is 4 here. So x of 4 minus 4. Why I subtracted 4? Because it reached out of this length, right? This is equal to what? X of 0. And what is the value of x of 0? X of 0 is 1. Fine. Now put n equal to 3, the last value. So y of 3 is what? Y of 3 is equal to what? X of 4 plus 3 minus 2. This is equal to x of 5. Now I don't have x of 5 here. It went out of range. So what I need to do, I have to subtract it by 5 minus 4. Right? This is 5 minus 4, which is equal to x of 1. So what is the value of x of 1? X of 1 is minus 1. Okay. So this is y of n, which is nothing but x of n minus 2 mod 4. So basically what we did is we shifted this sequence circularly right 2 times, in the sense 1 time, 2 time. This one came here, this one came here, whereas this 6 goes, when I say circularly, when I shift it, it does not go to the right, it goes and comes to the beginning. Circularly it is going to shift. So this is what happening here. So similarly, try to get y1 of n is equal to x of n plus 3, x of n plus 3 mod 4. Just see what do you get. Let me give you one more example. I want, say, y2 of n is equal to x of minus n mod 4. Say x of n is this sequence. I want y2 of n, which is x of minus n mod 4. So how do we get it? y2 of n is equal to x of, how do I write it equivalently? I have to put this 4 at the beginning, 4 minus n, and I have to remove one outer bracket, right? Now n equal to 0, what is y2 of 0? y2 of 0 is what? X of 4 minus 0, which is equal to x of 4. And I don't have x of 4, so what should I do? I have to subtract it by 4. This becomes equal to x of 0. So therefore y2 of 0, y2 of n is equal to what? X of 0, which is 1. First sequence is 1. Similarly, when I put n equal to 1, what is y2 of 1? y2 of 1 is x of 4 minus 1, which is equal to x of 3. So what is the value of x of 3? It is 6. So I get 6. What is y2 of 2? It is x of 2, which is equal to 4. So I get 4. So what is y2 of 3? What is y2 of 3? y2 of 3 is equal to x of 1, which is equal to minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1. So this is, and this operation is called as circular time reversal. Okay.